Welcome back to our next podcast on cue card making. Turn on auto caption for better experience.
Last year, I experienced a frustrating and inconvenient incident in my home when our refrigerator suddenly stopped working. It was a hot summer day, and we had just come back from grocery shopping with a car full of food that we intended to store in the fridge. As soon as we put everything away, we noticed that the fridge was not cooling down. We waited for a few hours, but the temperature inside remained the same. We realized that the fridge had stopped working completely. At first, we panicked as we had no idea how long it would take to get it fixed. We did not want to waste any of the food we had just bought, so we immediately started looking for a solution. We contacted a few repair shops and found one that could send a technician over the next day. The technician arrived early in the morning and started to diagnose the problem. It turned out that the compressor had failed and needed to be replaced. We were relieved that the problem was identified quickly and that it was fixable. The technician ordered the replacement parts and came back the next day to install them. The process of replacing the compressor was complicated and time-consuming. The technician had to remove the entire back panel of the fridge, replace the old compressor with the new one, and then put everything back together. He worked meticulously and was very careful to ensure that everything was properly aligned. After several hours of work, the technician finally finished the repair. He turned on the fridge, and we could hear the compressor humming as it started to cool the inside. We were thrilled to see that the temperature was dropping, and the fridge was working perfectly again. The experience taught me a valuable lesson about the importance of maintaining household appliances. I realized that we often take our appliances for granted until something goes wrong. It is crucial to perform regular maintenance checks and to call a professional as soon as we notice any signs of malfunction. Waiting too long can make the problem worse and increase the cost of the repair. Overall, I am grateful for the quick and efficient service that we received from the repair shop. They were able to fix our fridge and save us from losing all of our perishable food. The experience reminded me of the importance of keeping our household appliances in good condition and being proactive about repairs.
Thank you for listening to our education podcast. As we wrap up this episode, we want to take a moment to express our gratitude for all of our listeners. We hope that our podcast has been a valuable resource for you in your educational journey and that it has provided you with insights, inspiration, and knowledge that you can apply in your life, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you in our next episode.